working on the motor. So we've cleaned up, this is the coil assembly, two ends. We've cleaned all the paint off these. I'm not going to paint these, I might lacquer them. I want a little bit more cleaning. We get that green paint off the rubbers, but I'm going to leave them as is. This is the centre, the coil winding. This is going to be painted black. It's got a lovely label on there, I quite like that. Crompton, Parkinson, Chelmsford, England, AC motor. It's a 1/4 horsepower, 1435 revs per minute. So I think I can actually restore that. If not, it can be left as it is. If I give it a quick spray of black paint and then just lightly scratch over where the letters are, I might be able to bring that up as is, as it should be. We'll give it a try. Hope I don't spoil it, but it'd be nice to see it done. That's now actually ready for painting, but obviously the coils have been masked off because we don't want any paint on them. So that side's been done. It's just cleaning this off. Now we don't want to cut off around there, that takes too much effort. So what we're going to do, go around with a knife like that. Far easier than trying to trim round. Much neater job. New blade needed. Should do. I'll mask this off. I don't want to paint it straight away. This one I am going to have to trim round. These only the ends. That'll do. Move those two bits out of the way. We have this plate, which is the cover for the terminals on the motor.
What are you doing, Dad?
It's only methylated spirit. Dries very quickly. Well, I think that'll do for now. We'll let them dry. See what they're like later. the ends of the motors. I'll strip any paint that was on there. I'm going to give them a spray with clear lacquer. I just want to plug the bearings before I spray. There are only bronze bearings in there. That one's already plugged. Okay, that should do for that. We've got the main body of the motor down there. That's been painted black, so it's just about ready to go back together. And there's the motor unit mount. That still needs another coat of grey. And over the back there we've got the table, the motor of the motor mount bracket, the collar. So painting is well underway. I'm going to take the label off of this now. See how it's come up. I've not painted it. I'm not sure I'm going to now. I may just leave it as it is. We'll see how it looks. Don't know if you can see that. I think that's okay to leave as is. You can read it. Okay, that's it.